Now it is clear that the Minister of Energy has breached the public trust. And his position in that office can be sustained. The minister must go. But that would not be an end of the matter. Because I think it should be obvious to everyone that the minister did not act alone. The Prime Minister presided over the cabinet that appointed the absentee board with an chairman resident overseas. Someone has to answer for the issue of how did such a board become appointed, where apparently 2 of the members were not resident in Jamaica, 2 of the 3 Jamaican board members. The Prime Minister chaired the cabinet meeting that approved the contractor of the wall, where there was this massive payment in excess of the estimates, in a situation where that same contractor was already implicated in the previous bushing scandal as reported on by the Contractor General.